In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Node.js in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Node.js and click on the official link nodejs.org. And here we will be having this get Node.js, select it, and there are multiple ways to download it. If you just scroll down, we'll be having Windows installer.msi. Click it, and this will download the MSI file, just 30 MB in size. Once it is downloaded, open it, and we'll be getting this Node.js setup. Click on next, accept the agreement, just read it through, next, and this is going to be the default location where Node.js will be getting installed. If you want to change it, click on change and select the disk where Node.js has to install. So after selecting the required disk, click on OK and click on next. So these are the steps that will be followed in this installation. Just click on next and click on next. Click on install, select yes. This will take some time. That's it, it is done. Click on finish. Now go to search and open command prompt, and here just type the command node space ---- version and hit enter. We'll be getting the node version, and if I type node, here I will be getting a node shell where I can run JavaScript code like this. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.